Back at it. Welcome to SONICS. I'm still doing the incline, and this has been tightened up quite a bit. That angle put on, cleaned up all nice and tight. Now that's going to be put onto this piece. To these feelings. So I'm just going to continue on with that. I don't mind imperfections. It shows my hand. You know, my hands made this. It wasn't a machine. So if I were to do it like this piece, I would do it on the bottom and then fit that in there like that. So this one's going to be glued just like that. Boop. But if I were to do the bottom or the top now, if I glue it to the side, that gives me more room to glue like that. So this is going to be the side compression, which is going to be its own separate thing. This is going to be, so if I glue it on the bottom, then that makes a little, almost like a little step. But then I have to glue this in place. I think I have to ruminate on this, and I think I have to think a little bit about that before I jump in gluing. Because I just want to do it. I think it's going to just do the side. Do the side. I'm going to do the side. I'm going to fit that in there. That's going to be all like spiffaroo. Right? I'll do it to that angle. Then this one gets fit in. I'm going to get this set up to glue. It's very close. Crinkly crinkles. Shabanger. Look at that. That's under some serious attention. Alright, I think I'm ready for gluing. Glue, glue, glue. Glue your booty. Glue, glue, glue. Boom, boom. Top. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. Here we go. Sometimes a finger is the best tool. Glued in place. It's already warping just because of the glue. I dig it. All right, shout out to Stu Mac and its suppliers for getting cool materials for builders. Stu Mac. Look them up. Oh yeah. No better time than right now. Right now, we live in a right now kind of place. We live right now. Right now. Right now. Mm-hmm. I do that. Yeah, still. I'm going to do one side at a time. Yep. Right in there. Mm-hmm. Square knot, square knot. Do, 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 do. Kind of like the new gluing technique. Not tweaking out too much about anything. It really is sweet. All right, you're gonna let this glue, then the other side, then this, and then I'm gonna glue it onto that, and then it just and it worked out perfectly. Woo, that is really nice. There we go. That is where the pressure is going to go Whoop. It pre-tensiled. Oh, look at that. I'm going to say that's a G. My ears hear G. G, G, G. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see what it is. B, G, B, 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 B. All right, I said a G. That pretty much is a G. G, G, G. There you go, G, no C. So this is gonna be glued on to that. I think I'm going to glue this on before I glue this up, because I'm going to put a beam through there and clamp it all down. I think I'm going to get ready for that. I like it. And then another one right there. Always helps to have some big clamps. Rubber bands aren't going to work for this one. Oh yeah. That should squish it extraordinarily. It is alive. That tensile really did it. Making it warp right here. It's alive. Wow, it's really, really as good as I thought it would be. Sand this up now and make the, I'm gonna bend up one more. I found the metal to bend up another dancer. B, D, B, B. I just uncoiled that from right there. From that to that. Everybody settle down. Come on now. I like to try to reverse direction every once in a while. Bring in any more tension. Yeah. Because I want to. Do you talk to yourself? Who talks to yourself? I talk to myself all the time. And it's really nice to have some other perspective. Like you. I don't think I'm that strange. Oh yeah. So. You see, like every little move affects another move. So that really depends on if I want you to be that way or that way. Like that. See if that can be. Oh my gosh, I love it. These have quite the swing. You could be closer there, you're there. I gotta figure out the hole. All right, here we go. Next up. Calm yourself and read the signs. Take no shame and know your mind. Get a grip of you know who. You be you and everybody too. Then you do what you can do. Know yourself and push your bubble. Take no shit when you're in trouble. Share your grace and hold what's real. People are persons, it's what you feel. Calm yourself and read the signs. Take no shame and know your mind.